Welcome to USMLEFasttrack.com. The section we're going to talk about today is from First Aid for the USMLE Step 1, 2013 edition. Page 256.
Cardiac cycle, the heart sounds. To answer the questions about heart sound, please refer to the second picture on 256 where you see the blue lining which shows heart sounds. The red and the green lines that you can see right above the heart sounds in this picture represent the cardiac cycle. This picture is similar to the cardiac cycle picture that you could see right above here. These two pictures are the same, they are just represented differently, so you could see different things compared to the heart sounds. So to answer the questions about heart sounds and different things on this page, please refer to both of the pictures. What is the S1 heart sound? The S1 heart sound is when the mitral and the tricuspid valve closes. It's heard the loudest at the mitral area. What is the S2 heart sound? S2 heart sound is the aortic and the pulmonary valve closure. It's the loudest at the left sternal border. What is the S3 heart sound? The S3 heart sound is an abnormal heart sound. It happens in early diastole during rapid ventricular filling phase, and it's associated with increase in filling pressure. What are some of the conditions in which you would be able to hear a S3 heart sound? S3 heart sound can be heard in conditions such as mitral regurgitation, congestive heart failure, and can happen with dilated ventricles, but can be normal in children and pregnant women. What is the S4 heart sound? S4 heart sound is the atrial kick, which happens in late diastole due to high atrial pressure. What is a condition in which you would have the S4? S4 can happen in ventricular hypertrophy because in this, the left atrium must push hard against a stiff left ventricle wall.
For more information on this topic, click on the link in the description section below. For a full USMLE Step 1 review, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com, where we help you review the entire first aid for the USMLE Step 1 with high quality videos and hundreds of detailed pictures for a better understanding of the material. So to learn from the best USMLE review book, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com.